Hello friends, welcome to Hanky's Academy. We have already started the sessions on electrical circuit for electrical and electronics students, and now adjacently we are going to start lectures on control system and try to cover each and every topics from its basics to higher level with numericals. So, for further updates, please subscribe to my channel. Firstly, we will see the syllabus of control system. Very first topic is basics of control system. Under this topic, we will cover mathematical, modeling, and representation of systems. Feedback principle. Transfer function. Block diagrams. Signal flow graphs. Mechanical system. And control system component. Second chapter is time domain analysis. In this topic, we will study transient analysis, steady state analysis of linear invariant system. Steady state analysis of linear time invariant system, also known as LTI system. Means transient analysis for LTI system and steady state analysis of LTI system. Next is stability. Under this topic, we will cover Routh-Hurwitz criteria, and root locus technique. Next is compensator and controllers. Under the topic of compensators, we will study lag, lead, Lead lag compensators. Lead lag compensators. And under the topic of controllers, we will study proportional controllers, P, proportional integral controllers, PI, proportional derivative controller, PD, and last is PID, proportional integral derivative controller. Next one, frequency response analysis. Under this topic, we will cover stability under frequency response. Polar plots, Nyquist criteria, Bode plots, all topics in detail. Next is state space analysis. This topic covers state models, state variables, solution of state equations, state diagrams, and many more. This is all about the introduction of control system. In the next lecture, we will start from the very first topic, which is basics of control system. So see you in the next one. Thank you.